So Gracie really got caught in some dirt. The other faster smacks, they'll start gaining on us. So, yeah, super yachts. The shorter the race, the better really for us. But, what Gracie's doing over in that noise over there. Topsail's not rigged very well. I don't know how it looks clean today. But she's not going through the wall like we are. They're sailing like a yacht, more like than a smack. So if you look behind, look at the weather helm. Weather helm's clean, and nice weight behind. We've got the water sail up. Some people say they don't make a difference. I'm convinced they do. Just traps that last bit of air going underneath the boom there. Spirit's high. You can see Cupmore Grove in the distance. And Cooper's Beach to the left, and the Molliet over there. You won't be able to see that. We are making nice gains on that lead smack, so time will tell.